Choosing different fonts and adding images from the internet is very simple. First, locate the font selector and click the down arrow. This will allow you to click on more fonts. When you click on more fonts, you will see that there are several fonts not available from just the primary screen. Once you select the font you would like to use, click OK. And now it has changed the font. To add images from the internet, go to Insert, Image, Search the Web. Here you will be able to enter any keyword and bring up different images right from the internet.